Hey guys, welcome to our chicken coop. We are going to show you our automatic watering system and how it works. You can purchase your PVC pipe from your local hardware store. We found POULTRY nipples at a farm and feed store. This saw is specifically designed for cutting PVC pipe, but most hand saws should work fine. We used 5 poultry nipples for 20 chickens. We decided to use poultry nipples, but there are other options: sideways zippers and poultry water cups. We used metal strapping to secure the pipes to the wall. We designed this extra PVC pipe with a cap that can be removed to add an aquarium water heater. This pipe will also be used in the winter to add water manually. This is our overflow system. If you don't have overflow, you will pressurize your system. We used a drill to screw some holes into a pipe. Ensure the holes are large enough so they easily drain the volume of water coming in. We drilled a hole the same size as the hose end into the PVC cap. We threaded the hose onto the PVC cap. We used an automatic water timer that can be purchased at any hardware store. We turned the hose on just a little and set the timer for 5 minutes. The caps are there to prevent any debris from entering and clogging the nipples. We placed this bucket under the overflow to catch any excess water for the garden. This is our clean out. We wanted the clean out straight so you could easily see and clean easily. The whole pipe is sloped towards the clean out cap. We have used a food-safe water hose to prevent chemicals from leaching into the water. It's very important to have the interior pipe higher than the exterior overflow. I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions or comments, we'd love to hear from you.